It's that time of the month to break down the monthly P&L. So I am breaking down April. I did do decent. I am up like a decent amount, but honestly, it wasn't like the best month. So right here, best day percentage of total profits is 86%. So I wasn't as consistent. That big win that I had on the last day of the month pretty much made back, or like I had like a better profit. The P&L for April was $1,200 and trade win percentage 55%. That's okay. Still better than 50%. Average win to loss is 1.26. So that is decent. And then when I go down, this is the month P&L. Yeah, it's not that consistent, to be honest. Pretty much every single week, I'm just slightly break even. Like I win a day and I lose a day, and then I just make it back to break even, and then I'm slightly green. It's still a good feeling to be break even and like winning trades, but it's just not the greatest when you're just taking like stupid losses that are costing me like more of my profits to not be there because of my losses. There's still a lot of things to work on for me to improve, and of course I want to have a higher percentage win rate. I need to stop trading every single day because there are some days that are not the greatest and I just lose for no reason, or I'm just taking dumb setups, and dumb setups happen because I just don't take the quality trades, or like I try to force some things. And already you guys can see that the month of April I just didn't trade Friday at all. The reason I haven't traded Friday at all is because my week has been green. I finally just break even and I'm back to green, so I don't trade. So that's the reason why I'm up. So if I decide to force things on Friday, I would have lost. I would have been losing this month. Every single Friday that I saw, honestly, wasn't that probable. So I would have forced something. Maybe I got lucky, but most of the days on this Friday was pretty bad because we're at all-time highs, and every time when we're at all-time highs, the quality is not, the conditions are not the greatest. So I did a good thing for just avoiding that day. To show you guys some of the days where I do some stupid things, and I do record all my live trades. So I want to show you guys right here, April 15, I did take like 3 trades. What I learned this month is that if I don't take 1 trade a day, like I might do something stupid. Every time when I have more than 1 trade, then I usually lose. Like right here, 3 trades I lost, 2 trades I lost, 3 trades I lost. Every time when I said it in the past, when I take more than 1 trade, I lose money. So that's why I just set auto lockout on Topstep, and that's what I'm doing right now. And let's go to April 15 because I did take 3 trades. Here's the first trade. I am going to show you guys the charts because you guys obviously don't know what you're looking at. I was in the trade, and yeah, I get in and I get scared. So once I got scared, I don't know why. Like I'm just kind of second guessing myself, and I just break even because I'm scared that the trade won't work. But since I had the ability to enter a trade again because I tell myself, yeah, I'm break even, I haven't technically lost. So that's why I'm telling myself, okay, I can just take another trade, and if I win, I win. If I lose, I lose. But when I do that, I just second guess myself and I just do like stupid things. I get into the trade again, and right now I'm trading on the micro Nasdaq, but Nasdaq never took me out on the charts. It gets stopped out. But on the Nasdaq chart, it never went below, like it never went below this candle because that's where my stop loss was, right? But then I got stopped out, and if I never changed my TP from the beginning and I never got out in the first trade, I would have won the trade. But since I did, and Topstep like scammed me, then I lost. Although it's not my fault, but still it's like still like annoying thing because I should have won this day. And then later I took another trade, and then I held longer because I was like, I got annoyed of like my TP and everything, and then I got scared and I exited the trade. So I still had like a better day. Still, like I kept my losses small, but it's still like annoying that this trade should have been like about 300. April 22nd, we're at all-time highs, and we're just like pumping all the way to the upside. And then right now it's like 10:30 ish, and this is not the time I trade. I trade about 9:35 to like 10:15, and then later I wait to the next macro, which is about 10:45, 10:50, and then I trade. But I just kept watching the charts, and I was gonna wait for the macro because I haven't taken any trades. And then once I saw something on my screen, it was like, okay, looks good. And I took some stupid trade. What I saw was this candle over here. Like I was like, why are we reversing to the downside? I saw this candle, and then we go up, we tap into this gap, and then I was like, why are we revisiting back this wick right here? If we are, then I think we're just gonna be bearish. So that's what I did. I didn't really have a narrative. I was just telling myself, okay, it looks good. And I instantly clicked the sell button, and then I got stopped out really quickly. Although my stop loss wasn't bad, but it's still, I should have avoided this day. I should have avoided this random loss. And this is why I'm taking these random stupid losses for no reason. If I manage my trades better and I don't take stupid trades randomly, then these types of days wouldn't happen, and then my P&L will be bigger. Or my P&L should have been about 2,000 if I didn't do like these stupid trades. And honestly, FOMC was a really bad day, so I should have avoided that day. I'll show you guys the calculator right now, 1235 let's say, and then I added $50 because let's say it was not there. And then I added the $295 right there. And then I add the 450. Okay, then I have 2030. And then, okay, let's say I avoided all those days. Okay, I avoided those days. My P&L now is 2,000. Like that's an extra $800 that I could have made, but I did some stupid shit and I lost instead. And then let's say this day should have been actually a winner, so let's add money into that. So let's say 300, because that's the amount I was supposed to win. If I didn't do some stupid things or the Topstep would have scammed me, then I would have made this much money. So that's like an extra $1,000 in my P&L. Understand that I shouldn't be taking trades every day, and that I should understand the conditions, and yeah, I would have been a lot more up. Let's say my P&L was 1,200, right? My P&L was 1,200 right now. Let's say I took a trade on all these Fridays. April 3rd was closed, but let's say all these days I lost because honestly, there were pretty bad conditions. And if I lost it, then that will be how much? Let's say 900. Boom, right there. I would have been pretty much break even this month because I took all these stupid trades. And even this day, actually, I forgot this day. Since I increased my size from the 23rd, I could have lost more. So 1,200 minus these days 300, 200, so that's 600. And these days, that's 800. And then I would have been down because of me taking stupid trades. So clearly I can't take good trades, but at the same time, I need to focus on not trading every day and just focus on like high quality setups, because all these losses are just random that I shouldn't have taken. Obviously some trades I'm taking because I like it and then I lose, but I should be avoiding some of these losses. But since I am not, my P&L is like smaller. It happens, but this is why trading is always a learning process. I gotta learn every single day. 1,200, it seems okay, but it's honestly not that crazy. I was pretty much break even this whole month, and then I was tiny bit up. This trade right here made me like more up because I would have been like, let's say, yeah, 700. So if I lost that trade, I would have been pretty much break even the month. But since I won it, then that's why I'm like, 1,200. Yeah, but that's pretty much my recap. There's nothing much to this month. I'm just like learning a lot of things. It's annoying that I'm like break even and then like going back to green. So there's some things I had to change up, and March was kind of similar where I would win a week and I'll lose a week. So this was pretty different. I'll lose the whole week, then I'll win the whole week, lose the whole week, win the whole week. So it was actually a crazy cycle where yeah, I just keep losing everything and I win everything. But now this month is like I'm kind of like battling back. It's not really a good feeling, but I'm just trying to like learn every single week and get better. It's weird though that some weeks I'm just able to just rip this whole week, but now I just can't do that. So I don't know. The month of April was a bit more challenging, but I still have like a better P&L. But I'm getting better over time, but I still have to like really focus and just get better every day so that I take less losses and avoid like certain days, because not every day is like a good day. Anyways, that's the P&L for April. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and what I like to say in every single video, how you do one thing is how you do everything. Keep staying disciplined, keep staying consistent, and let's just get 1% better every day, and I'll see you in the next one.